18-year-old female gone missing in Marverly, St. Andrew. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 18-year-old Rashida Elder Meyer of Marverly, St. Andrew has been missing since Tuesday, December 17. She's of fair complexion, slim built and about 173 centimeters or 5 feet 8 inches tall. Reports from the Duane Park Police are that Elder Meyer was last seen at home wearing a black tights and green blouse. All efforts to contact her since then have proven unsuccessful. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Rashida Elder Meyer has been asked to contact the Duane Park Police at 876-933-4280, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.